Hello, Jesse here with GPSCity. I'm going to show you what you can find in the Information tab on the GPSMap 400 and 500 series chart plotter sounders. So, highlight Information first, then hit Select. Then we're going to have a bunch of different options. We have Dashboard, Tides and Currents, Weather, User Data, and Other Vessels. First, I'm going to show you the different dashboard options. It's going to give you things such as compasses, trip computers, and so on. So we got compass here. We have numbers. We have our trip computer. We have fuel, which we're going to need a fuel sensor hooked up. We have engine information. Again, we're going to need some special NEMA 2000 sensors hooked up. And we got 3 different pages here. And we have wind, which we will need a weather station hooked up from Garmin. We also have tides and currents. If we select tides, it's going to list all the tide stations closest to us moving out. Just highlight the tide station you want to view the information for, and voila, here's the information. We could also change the date. So if we're doing any pre-planning for future trips, we could see the tides for those trips. We could also do a report and go back. We could also do currents. Currents take a little longer to show up in the menu. Highlight the current area you want to check out, hit select, and it's going to show you the currents for that area based on time. We could also do weather. Weather's going to show you either precipitation, forecast, fishing, sea conditions, and visibility. We could also subscribe to weather through XM radio. I'm just going to show you the forecast for this demo. In forecast, you'll see it's forecasting all the weather around us. On the screen, you're going to see the highs and low temperatures, the high and low pressure systems, clouds with lightning bolts, of course, I mean thunderstorms. And as we just arrow over, it just changes the forecast for us. And we could go back home. And then we got user data. So this is going to help us view waypoints, tracks, and routes. And lastly, we could view other vessels. Of course, we'll need an AIS transponder or a radio that's DSC capable. And then when you select AIS, these are all the ships closest to us moving away. And you can just highlight the ship you want to see more information for. That was a quick look at the Information tab in the GPSMap 4 and 500 series sounders from Garmin. For more information and to purchase this great product, visit GPSCity, the GPS experts.